Hello guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel, and in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to highlight text in Google Docs using your Windows PC. First, open your document at docs.google.com and make sure you are signed in. Next, select the text you want to highlight by clicking and dragging your cursor over it, or press Ctrl+A to select all the text in the document. Then, look at the toolbar and click the highlight color icon. It looks like a marker. Choose a color from the palette to apply it instantly. If you want a custom shade, click custom at the bottom of the palette and pick your color. After that, to remove highlighting, select the highlighted text again and choose none from the highlighted color menu. Finally, if you need to highlight quickly in future documents, consider using the paint format tool to copy highlighting from one section and apply it elsewhere. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.